All right, sports fans and history buffs, get ready to rewind the clock because today, June 4th, marks a pivotal moment in Jamaican track and field greatness. We're heading back to 2016, to the electric atmosphere of Eugene, Oregon, for the Prefontaine Classic. This wasn't just any meet, it was where a future legend truly announced her arrival on the global stage. The anticipation was high and the competition was fierce, but one athlete was ready to make a statement that would echo through history. On this very day, the incomparable Elaine Thompson-Herah stepped onto the track for the women's 200 meters. With her signature poise and explosive power, she didn't just run the race, she dominated it. Blasting down the straight, Elaine crossed the finish line in a stunning 22.16 seconds. It was a world-class performance, a clear victory, and a powerful declaration to the entire athletics world. A new sprint queen was ready to claim her throne. This performance wasn't just a win, it was a preview of the historic dominance to come. Just 2 months later, Elaine would etch her name into the record books at the Rio Olympics, achieving the incredible sprint double by winning both the 100 and 200 meter gold medals. But remember, that Olympic glory was built on moments like this one in Eugene: speed, control, and the undeniable spirit of a champion on the rise. This race proved Elaine wasn't just a rising star, she was a true contender ready to conquer the world. Elaine's performance on this day signaled that a new era of sprint dominance was dawning. It's a moment we celebrate today as part of Jamaica's rich sporting legacy. Pure speed, pure power, pure Jamaican excellence on display. This has been This Day in Jamaican Sports History, powered by All Sports Jamaica. Like, share, and subscribe for more greatness from the land of speed. Walk good.